Hello guys, welcome to you all in this new JavaScript useful snippet series. So in this series we are going to basically talk about some short codes which is useful in your JavaScript development. So if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please go down below and subscribe it right now, so you will get notification whenever I'll upload a new episode in this series. Now let's get started. So in this episode I'm going to talk to you about a function called pick, which will be used to get an object which have only those key value pairs which you want it into it, right? So if you have think about, if you have five key value pair in your object and you only need a particular three from it, then you can use this function and you can get it from the given object, right? So for that, first of all, I have created this pick constant, and in constant I'll just declare a function which will have a two parameters in it. One will be a object which you are gonna pass, right? And another thing is second parameter will be array, which will be a collection of keys of your desired key value pairs, right? And in return I have used a reduce function. So I'm gonna like applied it into my key collections, right? So array dot reduce, and in reduce method first I'll check that my current record or my current key is include in my object or not. If it is include, then only what I have done is I'll just uh, set it as a key into my new object of this reduce method, and in value of that key I'm gonna just get the relative key value from the given object of from this function, right? So that's how I'm gonna just assign this key value pair to my resulting object of this reduce method, and it will return me at the end, it will return me an whole object with uh, my desired key value pair. So let's see with example. So for that I'm going to create a result constant, and I call this pick function over here. And in function, as a first parameter I'll pass an object with abc key value pair, where the value will be just like 1 2 3 respectively. And in another parameter I'll pass collection of keys. So right now I'll just pass a and c because I need a and c out of this object. So I'll pass a and c, and let's console it out, let's console this result out. So if you can see, I have a object with key a and c with its value pair, right? So you have your desired key value pair in result. Now guess if you have passed a key which is not included in object, right? So I would like to not throw exception this from this function, because it will like terminate my flow. So let's pass one false key. I'll pass just x, because x is not included in like whole object. So if you see, still we got our result, but what the function did is it just skipped a key which is not into object. It didn't throw any exception or error. It is just like skipped it and give us an object which have its value pair. So that's pretty much done. We can like use it wherever you wanted to like extract data from object. So thank you very much guys to watch this episode, and please hit like button if you found it informative, as well as share with your friends and colleagues. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel, so I will upload a new more and more episode like this.